Namaste, it's Natalie Williams. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this yoga session, we are going to do some shoulder stretches with a yoga strap, or if you have a towel or another item just like this, a dog leash, something that works, will do just fine. All right, let's go ahead and get started. You can stay standing for this, or you can have a comfortable seat. Find a nice tall posture, pulling those ears back over the shoulders, shoulders over the hips, and close your eyes. Take an internal scan of your body. Are there any areas that you can just relax right now? Then notice your breath and take a deep breath in and out. One more deep inhale and exhale. Before we get stretching the shoulders, let's get them warmed up. So roll the shoulders up, back, and down. And pause, other direction. Then go ahead and reach the arms up over the head and reach one arm higher than the other. Reach. Good. Then both arms up as high as you can. Then elbows come back like you're keeping your back against a wall and you're bringing your elbows touching the side. Keep them back, squeeze the scapula together and pull them down towards your hips. Then inhale, reach up, and exhale, pull them back down, and then up, and then pulling them back down. One more time, inhale up, and exhale, pull them down. Then go ahead and clasp your hands together. Place your arms in front of you, arch your back, rounding it, tucking your tailbone in, dropping your head. Then inhale, reach up to the sky, and lean on over to the left. Then inhale to the center, over to the right. Then inhale on up, place the hands behind you, pull back your elbows, deep breath in. Then exhale, try to bring your elbows together, tucking your chin in towards your chest. Then inhale, go ahead and take your left arm across your body and gently hold. Shoulders back, and try to breathe into this left shoulder. And exhale, release. Then inhale, open your arms up, elbows back, and exhale, switch arms, bring your right arm across your body. Take a deep breath into this right shoulder. And exhale, release. And one more time. And exhale, release. Then you're going to go ahead and shake out those hands, roll around the wrist. And because we are going to grip something, we're just going to stretch out the fingers for a little bit. Right arm in front, hand like a stop sign. Gently pull back on those fingers. And gently switch. Then clasp your hands together and roll those wrists around. And shake out those hands. Go ahead and grab your strap, or whatever resembles this will do just fine. So go ahead, and you always want to grip towards the middle so you have equal lengths on both sides. Your hands want to start light and together, and then you can gently pull them out. So don't start out wide, find a nice little grip, gently go about shoulder width, bring them up over your head. This might be too tight for you, so you gently go out, grip, but not too tight. Open up, bring the strap over your head, bend the elbows and open up your chest. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. See, as you inhale, you lift up higher. And as you exhale, you bend and go into the stretch further. One more time, deep inhale. And exhale, bend. Then inhale, arms come up. If you need to walk your hands closer together, that's fine. We're gonna lean on over to the left. Deep breath here. And over a little bit more if possible. Then inhale to the center and exhale, other side. Deep inhale here and exhale over a little bit more. Then inhale, come on up, reach towards the sky, then one more time bending both elbows back. Then go ahead and keep your straps in your hands, stay there. I'm just gonna turn around so you can see what's next. So from here, your hands are about shoulder width, a little more apart or whatever is most comfortable for you. And we're gonna go ahead and keep the strap into the right hand right here. If you don't have too much length, make sure there's enough so you can pull gently a little bit more down on this end, the left side, and gently bring it behind you. Reach up and take this left hand, thumb comes down, and then it goes up, and you're bending your right arm right here. So you're walking your left hand up towards the strap, pulling down on the right arm. So you're getting a right tricep stretch right here, right now. Holding it here, breathe in and out. Make sure your right elbow is in towards your head and facing up straight towards the sky. Then from here, watch out for the left front shoulder and be mindful if you have any shoulder injuries during all this. We're going to straighten the right arm a little bit. Now we're working the front portion of the left shoulder, just stretching it out. Hold it here, take a deep breath in and out, and release. One more deep breath in, and exhale, release. Then from here, we're going to try to walk both hands together towards the strap. If you can clasp the arms, great. If not, don't worry. And if you don't need the strap, no worries at all. Keep the right elbow up, left elbow down, and take a few breaths here. You can keep it here, or if you have enough flexibility, you can try to grip or hold, clasping the hands behind you. But remember, don't force it. These little muscles in the shoulder rotator cuff are very precious. You don't want to be pulling on them. Deep breath in and out. Make sure you're maintaining that nice tall spine. And exhale, gently release the lower arm, lean forward if you need to. Very slowly come out, roll the shoulders around and shake them out. Next, go ahead and grab the strap with your left hand, find the long end down on the ground. Take your right hand, bring it around and up, thumb faces up, and we're gently gonna pull down on the strap right here. Find that good posture, make sure your neck isn't protruding forward, you're nice and lifted here. Relax your shoulders, anything else in your body that you're holding on to that's not serving you, this position right here. Take a deep inhale and exhale. Stretching out the tricep and the left muscle and the left arm. Then gently straighten the left arm. Keep the right elbow down and only as comfortable that you can go into this pull. Deep inhale and exhale. And once more, deep inhale and exhale. Then start to walk your hands together with the strap. A few breaths here, in and out. If and only if you can grab a hold, you can remove the strap and just try to give it a little clasp behind you. Don't worry if you can't get here. Doing this about 2 to 3 times a week will definitely help you deepen your shoulder flexibility, but make sure your shoulders are always warm. One deep inhale and exhale. Gently release, very slowly release, and gently come down. Roll the shoulders around. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and turn around to you, facing to the front, and nearing you again. Shoulders back, navel in and up. Next, we're gonna do eagle arms. Go ahead and place your right arm in front of you. Elbow is about 90 degrees and your arm is parallel with the ground. Right in front of your face, just like so. Then take your left arm and hold it here. Try to bring your left arm on top of your right arm if possible. If not, just hold it just like so. So right here, if you can, your hand shifts out and you try to clasp into eagle arms. So the lower you are is fine, but if you can go up high and breathe into your upper back, try to do so. And if you don't look like this, don't stress out. And if you're confused, just bring one arm in front of the other, no problem. Deep breath in and out. A little higher if you can. Deep inhale and exhale. And unravel, shaking those arms out. Next, your left arm's on bottom, 90 degree with a bend, parallel with the ground. Bring it in front of your face. Right arm goes on top this time. If you can, try to clasp the hands together and place them in front of you. Remember, bringing the elbows up and breathe into the back if you can. Shifting the arms higher, deep inhale. Exhale, a little higher if you can, inhale. Exhale. Bring the arms down, shake out the arms, and gently roll around the neck. Go ahead and grab your strap or whatever prop you're using, and let's go ahead and place it behind our backs. Right here, we're placing it, again, equal on both sides with the straps, thumbs facing towards each other here. You start close, and then little by little, if you need to, you can go far with a loose grip. So from here, shoulders back, navel in and up, bending from the hips, thumbs facing towards each other. You really want to bend your knees here. Rest your belly and bring the arms up in the direction over your head if you can do so. And release your neck and head. And take a deep inhale and exhale here. Try to let gravity take over towards the front of your arms if possible. Release the neck. One more deep inhale and exhale. Then gently bring the hands back towards the bottom. Wake us in the heels and you round up nice, slow, and controlled. Then on the other side, we're going to place the thumbs facing out, shoulders back, navel in and up, and we're going to do the same thing going down. So gently bend your knees, bottom back, chest up, thumbs facing out, and really let your belly rest on your thighs if possible. And then bring the arms up and over in the direction of your head. Stay where you are, take a deep inhale. Exhale, sink in. One more deep inhale. Exhale, relax. Then bring the hands towards the back and bottom and gently round up, nice, slow, and controlled. Then you can release the strap. Find your hands to your heart, close your eyes, take a deep breath in and out. Notice your shoulders and just try to relax every other muscle in your body. Then squeeze your shoulders up towards your ears, then relax your arms and hands down. Go ahead and take a moment just to be grateful for everything that you have. And go ahead and bring your hands to your heart. The light within me honors and cherishes the light within you. Namaste. Thank you so much for participating with me. Subscribe if you like this video, please.